Hello guys and welcome back to Different Strokes Colors of Life. This is your host and dost Kirtan Bangera and today we are here with Hina Rao. So Hina,
जी
like सब हो गया आपके लाइफ के बारे में आपने बता दिया. I heard you have received awards.
yes
So I don't want to tell it by myself, but I would rather want you to go ahead and tell what are the awards that you have got.
yeah sure. The early age of my life, it was as I told earlier, International Delhi Theatre Festival. तो expected नहीं था कि जीतेंगे because इतने country है साथ में like और उसमें इंडिया जीतेगा करके उतना मुझे भरोसा नहीं था. But then it happened. वन एक्ट प्ले था, स्ट्रीट प्ले था और दोनों में हमने जीता. तो वो था एक अर्ली स्टेज में. और शायद अशफाक भाई जो चेयरमैन है दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड फिल्म फाउंडेशन का, शायद उनके टीम ने शायद मेरी मेहनत देखी थी कि इतने आई वोंट से लो लेवल बट देन एक तो यंग से स्टार्ट किया. आई स्टार्टेड विद स्मॉल जॉब्स एंड देन हो रहा है प्रोग्रेस होके रियलिटी शोज एंड किया एंकर. और आपको ही पता है सब कंफ्यूजन में हूँ मैं क्या करूँ और क्या ना करूँ. तो शायद उन्हें सोचा होगा और मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि आई वुड बी गेटिंग दिस अवार्ड. एंड देन देयर इज दिस अनाउंसमेंट. सो हीना राव इज गेटिंग दिस अवार्ड फॉर द एक्सीलेंस इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड आई एम लाइक ओके, शुड आई गेट अप, should I just pinch myself? क्या था ये? I was confused कि मैंने हीना राव तो सुना but वो हीना राव ही था जो बोला. It was that way. So then I went and that was my life's best day ever because it was a turning point, इतने लोग हैं वहाँ पे. There was प्रेम चोपड़ा, करण बोरा, many people, Dangal's director, everyone over there, and then I get this award for the excellence.
That's very nice.
And then next morning I wake up, I see myself in Google and I be like, okay Hina, you did it because that is kind of your dream. I used to say in my previous interviews which Acting Adda used to take, I used to tell them, वो मुझे पूछते थे कि हीना क्या है आपका मोटो. तो मेरा ये होता था मुझे गूगल पे आना है and आज वो हो गया पता नहीं छोटी मोटी.
So that was one of your dreams that you wanted to be on Google.
Be on Google and then happened. Now I only type my name like around 100 times and check.
Like, am I still there?
Am I still there?
Okay, nice.
Yes, I'm still there.
That's nice. That's nice. But इसके अलावा you serials हो गए आपके serials, everything is done. What if I have to ask you, अगर आपको कभी चांस मिला बॉलीवुड में, इंशाल्लाह मिल जाए, बॉलीवुड में आपको अगर चांस मिल गया, so who will be the actor that you would like to work with, like hero?
It would be Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh, so he is my favorite actor.
मेरे को लगा आप सलमान खान बोल दोगे, like it's like you ask anyone right now, any girl.
इंशाल्लाह
like,
सलमान खान के साथ शूट करने मिला तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. वो फिलहाल ट्यूबलाइट में बिजी है. वैसा नहीं, एक अटैचमेंट है मुझे एक्चुअली रणवीर सिंह से. वो अटैचमेंट ऐसा, उसने भी बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है. मैं स्ट्रगल इन द सेंस मैंने उसके पहले के वीडियोस एंड ऑल देखे हैं. हिज एक्टिंग, द वे ही हैव डेवलप्ड हिमसेल्फ, वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ एक्टिंग ही हैव डन एंड जो पावर है उसमें, जो पॉजिटिवनेस है. एंड प्रीवियसली व्हेन आई हैड बॉडी डबल्ड, I had body doubled Anushka Sharma it seems, and that time Ranveer Singh was there. He's very much positive in set. He's jolly.
And he's very down to earth.
He's down to earth. I mean, he's like, hello, okay, hi, how are you? How are you doing? And this and this one, that one. You be like, okay, he's an actor. He's a big soul, and he's too much. He's down to earth. So I want to act with every actors in Bollywood, okay, but then Ranveer Singh is my heart.
Okay, that's nice. And
in Bollywood. Yeah.
And actress?
Deepika Padukone. Not because I have body doubled her, but Deepika Padukone, she's amazing. And also Priyanka Chopra. I follow her a lot.
Okay, that's nice.
But
yeah,
other
I understand modeling and yeah, even she is the winner.
Yes.
So that's nice. And but okay, if it's actress, what would you want your role to be?
As a second lead. I won't go down than that.
Okay, that's nice. That's very nice. So, इसके अलावा now, as you're back here in Udupi,
Yes, my town, my place.
This is your town, your
Mhm.
mother town. So, tell me what are the things that you like about Udupi and Mangalore, especially?
Everything I like actually. You know, right from the roads, right from the temples, right from the people, ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Okay.
I love everything because very much friendly people you will find here, heartwarming people, and apart from that there are many locations like recently we just completed our shoot Kattale Kone movie. Amazing story it is, and that story needed us. हमें बहुत ही ऐसे locations में जाना था. So in Udupi district itself there's this place Karadi Gudde, there's Ampar, there's Mudur. So all these places are very amazing. ऐसा है कि दिन में आपको उसका एक अलग झलक मिलेगा और रात को एक अलग झलक मिलेगा. रात को आपको हॉरर लगेगा एंड वही जगह दिन में बहुत ही सुहाना लगेगा आपको, और बहुत ही अच्छा है ये व्यू. मुझे नहीं लगता और किधर मिलेगा कर्नाटका के अलावा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. कोई
So it's like two different shades of the same place.
Same place. It's like it's something else in the morning, something else in the twilight, and in the night. 3 shades actually, I can say.
That should be pretty amazing.
Amazing.
But इसके अलावा like you have it like you never craved for you know when you're back here in South, you never craved to eat South Indian food like masala dosa, idli, and all this.
You know, it's like I always had that soft corners for idlis, masala dosa and everything, but after eating masala dosa for like breakfast and lunch and dinner and nashta, I'm a kind of done. But then I won't mind trying other South Indian foods, like whatever, you know, there's many actually, Pelakai Adde and many, I'm not Semed Adde and everything.
Pretty much about South Indian food.
Yeah, obviously I am a South Indian, I'm a Karnataka girl, yeah. So
Obviously. I'm not denying it.
Yes. So and I should say this, that I'm very lucky to get this role in this Kannada movie because you know, it was always in my heart कि कर्नाटका से मेरा स्टार्ट होना चाहिए डेब्यू मूवी, एंड इट हैपेंड. गॉड्स ग्रेट. सुना मेरी बात को, लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ने काम चलाया.
That's nice. Okay, we will come to this Kattale Gudde movie of
Kattale Kone, yes.
Kattale Kone, sorry viewers, Kattale Kone. So I really want to talk about it more.
Yes.
So before that, could you tell me what are the other projects that are you planning up for?
Actually, I have signed this Telugu movie. So actually, even that reality show I have come in between. It was on, but then I had to, because then, okay fine, that's not the big thing, but I had to leave that reality show in between, and because I had signed the Telugu movie.
Okay.
So that happened, but the shoots have got delayed and so, and God's grace I got this opportunity, Kattale Kone, and I'm looking I'm looking forward to many opportunities after this also, and I'm sure God's great again, something good would happen.
Yes. And what about your dream project? What would be your dream project, or that one thing in the life that you would want to do more than anything else?
One thing is that I want to be a superstar, like, you know, wherever, whatever it be, let that be in Kannada industry, let that be in any industry, Telugu industry or Hindi industry, Bollywood. I want to be a superstar. I am struggling and working hard for it. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रही हूँ, और मतलब मैं जो भी जो हो रहा है 100% दे रही हूँ. It's like whatever I go, I want to be a superstar there.
Okay.
Like, let that be anything.
That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, but it is really very difficult to get into acting, modeling, and all this stuff, because I remember I myself had been to one of the screening, and the
Wow.
director was like, you need to talk on the phone with whoever you want to talk to, and you just need to act. And I'm like, sir, chalu karo. And he's like, what are you waiting for? We're waiting for you
for
to start.
you to start.
Like okay, like then I'm like I'm done with this. It's not happening. But it's really difficult, and it's a good thing that you're doing acting, emotions, रोना पड़ता है, हंसना पड़ता है, यार एक साथ इतने सारे सब चीज करते हुए.
Correct.
So again, Kattale Kone.
Yes.
Now let's get into this movie.
Yes.
Tell us something more about this. What this movie is all about.
I should tell you this. Before my director Sandesh Shetty Ajri called me, like when I was in Bombay back then, there were other directors also who had briefed me about their script as they wanted me to work with them. But then the way he described, उन्हें जो screenplay बताया, see Hina, ऐसा है, it's very difficult. You have to work hard. ये पहले क्लियर है, एकदम क्लियर. पहले डराया तो बहुत डराया. पूरा क्लियर था. आपका नाम सुमित्रा है इसमें एंड बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है. ये लड़की का बहुत सारा शेड्स है. वो एक हल्ली की लड़की है, दैट इज गाँव खेड़े की लड़की है. एंड देन उसके शेड्स है. शी इज ऑल्सो अ फाइटर, शी इज अ इमोशनल पर्सन, शी इज ऑल्सो अ लवर, एंड शी इज इन अ डिप्रेशन अबाउट her brother who have expired. तो and she's an orphan. तो ये सब शेड्स है, आपको ये सब शेड्स निभाना है. और जब भी उनने ये एक एक बात बताए ना, आई शुड टेल यू, मैं तभी कैरेक्टर के अंदर चली गई थी. मतलब मैंने खुद को वो बिंदी और दैट नोज रिंग में यू नो वो कर दिया था. ओके मैं करना है. एंड द डे आई केम वही रात को हमने शूट करना चालू किया था. एंड दैट टू this Kattale Kone is already famous. Actually it is a true story which happened in 93.
So is it from a book, or is it like a written story, or
it's not a written story, I'm sure, but it was this particular story was very much famous back then in 93. Because it is all about a guy. It is about eyes, actually, how you see. It is still very much confusing. Like I'm shooting, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं I'm seeing the scene. हाँ हो रहा है. Me and mummy are talking कि हाँ चलो ये scene है. And then actually it is not that. It's like Hina, you're a fool again.
It's all. So basically it's gonna be super interesting.
Interesting. You won't. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आगे क्या हो रहा है. It's all suspense. And it is like there's comedy, there's emotion, there's drama, there's horror, there's every effect what a viewers want.
That's nice. Don't tell me it's going to be Conjuring.
I'm sure it'll be more scarier than Conjuring.
Well, I'm sure it's going to be a houseful movie.
I'm sure we are getting that positive vibes.
So is there only it's you, the main character, and is there any other character than this?
No. The main character is Desh Rao.
Okay.
Desh Rao is my director Sandesh Shetty Ajri. He himself have played this character of Desh Rao, and बाखूबी से उनने ये character निभाया है. क्योंकि मैं आज उनको देख रही हूँ as a editor in the movie, कल को मैं उनका कुछ और ही रूप देख रही हूँ. It is like that. He have that shades. Not 50, but then many. He have that shades. And Desh Rao is a character, first character actually. And there's this kid Sandy.
Okay.
उसका एक character है. उस पे actually ये सब चालू हुआ है story. मैं खुद को नहीं भूलूंगी. मैं भी हूँ सुमित्रा जो देश राव की प्यार है.
मतलब ऐसे बात करते रहेंगे तो पूरा स्टोरी यहीं पे खत्म.
हाँ तो मैं चाहती नहीं हूँ.
ओके सो इसके अलावा डांस, आपने बोला आप डांस
जी.
सो इज देयर एनी सॉन्ग इन दिस, लाइक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग हो या फिर ओनली सॉन्ग पर्टिकुलर टू डांसिंग, और इज देयर एनी सैड सॉन्ग, रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है या फिर
एक्चुअली
डरना और डराना?
नहीं, आप जो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं वो है ये मूवी में.
ओके.
इट्स लाइक दैट. अभी तक हमने एक्चुअली पूरा शूट डायलॉग्स एंड एवरीथिंग ख़त्म किया है, सीन्स ख़त्म किए हैं. अभी सॉन्ग्स होना बाकी है, बट स्टिल जो सॉन्ग्स मुझे आधा जो भी सुना है मैंने, अब तक बना नहीं है सॉन्ग. इट्स अ रोमांटिक सॉन्ग. तो लकीली सुमित्रा और देश राव का एक सॉन्ग है, रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है. एंड बाकी भी एक हॉरर शेड सॉन्ग भी है जो आई एम श्योर साउथ everyone in Karnataka and इंशाल्लाह ऑल ओवर इंडिया लोगों को पसंद आएगा वो सॉन्ग. ऐसे है वो, you know, आप you know, you'll get goosebumps. It's like that.
That's pretty amazing. So when is it gonna be up on the theaters?
I just hope soon. Now अभी तो just scenes have got over. Now songs would be done, then editing and post production. I'm sure my director Sandesh Shetty would be in lot of tension कि कब कैसे क्या. But still he have kept that goal that he would do in this Diwali.
Okay.
So let's see going up for it.
So viewers, this Diwali you will have to go ahead and watch this movie Kattale Kone, and I'm sure you would have done pretty much good work and hard work. As you said that you have worked hard.
I should tell you about this. It's not only little. It's like you are shooting and your director is saying, "अच्छा हीना, आपको अभी इधर से इधर गिरना है." And it's like this big, that place. It's big and you're standing and he's telling me आपको naturally गिरना है. Okay. पूरा काटा वाटा सब है, and you know what is that called? Bloodsucker leech. I don't know that Kannada name.
It's like,
yeah. So
some insect kind of thing.
It's some insect
animal,
which looks very scary, जो बहुत blood suck करता है. Jalebi? No, I don't know what it is called. And वो मतलब मैं गिरती हूँ and नीचे पूरा, you know, everything is in a reality. हमने कुछ भी fake नहीं किया है यहाँ पे. तो वो ऐसा शॉट था कि ऊपर से नीचे गिरना है. चलो गिरी मैं 20 बार गिरी होगी शायद ऊपर से नीचे. After that, as I told Karadi, Gudde and Kalmargi Kote, when we have to go to such places, we actually have walked for like 6 to 7 kilometers, I can say. हम ऐसे नीचे से ऊपर ऊपर चलते जा रहे हैं and बहुत ही कांटों वाला plans है. तो it's like सब लग रहा है हमें. You can't do anything.
But you have to reach your destination.
I have to reach my destination. I have to make it look very natural. Even अगर मुझे कुछ लग भी रहा है, I'm not supposed to do ouch. लग रहा है मैं चली जा रही हूँ with my character. Every night I should tell you, Kirtan, every night whenever I should take bath, it used to burn me. It's like it was ऐसा जलता था body because इतना कुछ है. Not only me, मेरे director, मेरे co-artist, director, as I said, he's also an actor. So बहुत ही ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಮೂವಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿ. Very much. I should tell this. So बहुत मुश्किल था.
So how difficult was it for you to learn Kannada coming here? Is it like you have been speaking at home after coming here?
I had, except for Uta Aita, except for, you know, all the basic things, even that I would deny. थोड़ी ऐसा कुछ होगी जो मुझे पता होगा. और यहाँ आके ऐसे again my director is coming, Hina, this is the dialogue, and dialogue is पूरा page. So but then what I did was I took time, no, not like took time like days or something. I took like half an hour time. I read it thrice, 4 times, and then I by hearted each and everything, and now I can say I can speak a little good Kannada that I knew. Then I started, and I actually planned that I'm gonna dub my voice in the movie. That much confidence I'm having.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. So ये हो गया. इसके अलावा, as you said, there's a small boy.
Yes.
What is his role in the movie?
That small boy is attracted to something which he shouldn't have got attracted. That is marijuana. That is ganja.
Okay.
And he is mentally retarded. So it all start up with that. Actually, I don't know how much should I speak, so I would just stop.
Okay. All right. So it's been a very interesting show today. Thanks. So you know, I don't want to end this up, but then we have to end up and we have to rush.
Yes.
So before I let you go, would you like to give a message? कोई एक ऐसा message हमारे youngsters को, what message would you like to give?
Message in the sense on acting or
on acting, on modeling, on as career wise, or maybe you know just as yourself as a personality. What message would you give to the youngsters?
As related to acting and everything, मुझे ये एक message देना है, जो भी मेरे viewers है, जो मुझे देख रहे हैं, और इनमें से आई एम श्योर बहुत ऐसे लोग होंगे जिन्हें एक्टिंग करना है, एक्टर बनना है. बस हार्ड वर्क करो, you know, that's my motto actually. Work hard, give your 100% whatever you're doing it, and I'm sure it will be attracted and आप सक्सेस पाओगे.
और उसके अलावा मॉडलिंग अब अभी मैसेज दे ही रहे हो तो पूरा मैसेज दे दो
जी. किस बात पे मैं पूरा मैसेज दूं?
लाइक मॉडलिंग व्हाट स्ट्रगल, लाइक हाउ देयर आर पीपल हु स्ट्रगल बट देन यू नो एट अ पॉइंट वो छोड़ देते हैं उस चीज को.
जी, ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात आपने करी है, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने बोला आई स्टार्टेड एट 15. ऐसे बहुत मूवमेंट आए थे जहाँ मुझे मन करता था कि मैं छोड़ूं, मैं कुछ और करूं, बट वो एक मत रखना, क्योंकि जो दिन आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आप छोड़ रहे हैं, आप कुछ और कर रहे हैं, शायद उसका अगला दिन ही आपका लाइफ का टर्निंग पॉइंट हो सकता है. तो वॉट एवर यूर डूइंग, अगर आप 100% श्योर हो कि आपको मॉडलिंग करना है, आपको एक्टिंग करना, एक्टिंग मॉडलिंग छोड़िए, आपको कोई भी दूसरा काम जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट है आपको करना है, तो आप बस आपका साथ दीजिए. आप ये एक्सपेक्ट मत कीजिए कि उसे कितना साल लगेगा अचीव करने. आप ये सोचिए कि हो जाएगा, बस आपकी मेहनत की कमी थी उधर, एंड आई एम श्योर आपको सक्सेस मिलेगा. मेरा एग्जाम्पल तो मैं इतनी बड़ी हूँ नहीं कि मैं खुद का दूँ, बट एक छोटी मोटी अगर बात मैं कर भी लूँ, तो मैंने स्टार्ट किया इतने अर्ली एज में, और अब जाके ऐसा हुआ है कि मुझे कुछ सफलता मिली है, कुछ बाकी है और होना.
So maybe from 100%, 30% you have achieved.
I guess
still more to come.
More to come.
That's right. Okay, guys. So this is Hina Rao, and as she said, never leave what you're trying to do. Do what you do, and do it till you die.
Yeah.
So, well, guys, today we'll have to end this show right here. दोबारा मिलेंगे एक और शो के साथ, एक और एपिसोड के साथ, एक और डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस के साथ. For now, we'll let Hina Rao go.
Yes, so, I just need to say one thing. ನಿಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
All right, thank you so much, Hina Rao, for coming to our show, Different Strokes, Colors of Life. Okay, guys, we'll see you next week again. This is your favorite show, and this is your host and host, Kirtan Bangira. Thank you for seeing. Bye-bye.